congratulate them for moving on to the new chapter of their lives. But first, I would like to thank the Lord for giving all of us strength, knowledge, and wisdom in everything we have done. Our choices, our decisions, and our lives. And I truly believe that the Lord will always guide all of us no matter what we do, and help change our negative sides and our flaws. And heartfelt thanks to all of the parents of MCA for raising such wonderful children. They've grown not just in height but in moral lessons and everything that is good about them. And they always try their best to change their bad sides. Like before, I was not really good at public speaking. I was really afraid of it. But look where I am now, standing in front of all of you as the batch speaker of MCA. And I would like to thank all the teachers of the graduates from the past and to now for giving us the opportunity to grow in everything and everything good about us. They helped make this school feel like a second home for all of us. They made it comfortable and safe, and we grew so fast. And not only that, when we once knew so little, now look where we are now. We are graduating and reaching a new milestone of our lives. So I would like to say this to everybody. Always have faith in your steps, courage in your hearts, wisdom and knowledge on your minds, and always trust in the Lord. Saying that, congratulations to the class of grade